Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing the first modification to my car, which is the puddle lights. And if you don't know, the puddle lights are for those door lights. So when you open the door, you see a light at the bottom, and this is basically it. So what this is, instead of having the yellow ugly lights when you open the door, it's going to have the Scatpack logo. And this one, I got it on Amazon for $40, and it's just not for Scatpacks. You can get it for the Hellcats, the RTs, and if you have a V6, you can get it saying Dodge or Charger too. And for the Scatpacks, there's two of them. There's just the regular Scatpack logo, and then the one I think I got is a red circle with the Scatpack logo on it. But it's a pretty easy installation from what I've seen on YouTube. But yeah, let's try it out, see what happens. So when you open the box, it's going to be two of these lights right here, and they have the, oh shit, there you go. It tells you what side it belongs to. This is the left side, the other one is the right side. And what I just noticed, what I was just reading is open special is different, door lights upgrade parts. Alright then. So basically this one is gonna go right here, and what you got to do is you got to get a flathead screwdriver and just put it in right here and pop it out. It's gonna pop out with the cable, and you just plug and play. Let's see. Alright, let's see. There's a little notch right here. Just pop this bad boy out. There you go. Ah, that's hot. Careful, because it's hot. And you just pull it out. Right. How do you do this? Let's see. Oh, I see it. There's a little insert, you push the back of it, you pull it out like so. Let me put this here, I don't want it to get scratched. And then you just clip this one back in. Ooh, alright, I can see a little logo right there. Left. And you pop it back in. So once inside, it's gonna look like that. You can see a little red outline, and you can't see it right now because it's too bright, but I will be showing it to you guys later at night. See, here's what the old one looks like for comparison, and here's the new one. This is the one that goes on the right side. Dang, already dropping it. And there you go, big difference. Let me flip it over. There you go. That one has a little holographic design on it, and this one doesn't. And it's still pretty hot. Alright, so you're basically going to be doing the same thing on this side. You just put in your flathead screwdriver right there. Oh shit. And just pop it out. Let me give you guys a better look. Alright, so when you're taking it out, you have to squeeze this piece in right here and then pull it out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. There you go. Boom, just like that. And you take it out. Oh, it's hot. Alright, now to connect the new one, let's see. This, honestly, for the price, this seems more durable than the OEM lights, those ugly yellow lights. I don't know if it's because of the design inside, but it seems more sturdier, better quality plastic. Let's see if I can do this one hand. Nope, gotta use two hands. Hold on. So I popped it into place, and you can see the little design right there, Scatpack. Oh, that's pretty cool. But I feel like it's backwards. I feel like the Scatpack should be facing me and not outwards. Huh. I think I might be just switching the right to the left side, because I think that would look better. Instead of having the Scatpack, yeah, they just labeled it backwards. Alright, let me go do that. So I flipped them. I put the right one on the left side, and let's see. Yeah, that looks much better, having the Scatpack logo facing me. Yeah, way better. Look at that. I'm just showing you guys how it looks right now because you can't see anything. There's too much light. I'll take a video of it tonight, and wow, I'm really impressed with this. I am most likely gonna get 2 more for the back doors, because look at that quality. Quality on my hand. All right, let's go to a night view. All right guys, it is now nighttime, and it is a perfect way to see those door lights. So let's take a peek. Oh shit. Yeah, that looks good. Yep, I approve. I give it a thumbs up. I approve of this. Damn. Yeah, I really like how it looks. Nice. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, I'm very happy with the quality of these door lights and with the Scatpack logo. So in case anybody didn't know I had a Scatpack, I opened the door, bam, it says Scatpack on it. And yeah, I highly recommend it for anybody with a Charger, or I'm pretty sure even Challenger owners could put it into their cars. And so if you have a Hellcat, Scatpack, Daytona, RT, or even V6 Chargers, which you could put the Charger name or Dodge logo on the doors, highly recommend it. The link's going to be in the description down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching again. See you next time.